If you ever travel overseas to Ireland, then maybe at the evening of your day, you might sit and watch the moon rise over Claddagh, and watch the sunset fall on Galway Bay, just to hear once more the ripple of the streamlet, the people in the meadows turning hay, or to sit beside a turf fire in a cabin and watch the children laughing as they play. For the breezes drifting o'er the sea from Ireland carry heather fragrance as they blow, and the people in the fields all digging pretties speak a tongue the strangers cannot know. Came and tried to shape our story. They looked on us and judged us from afar, but they might as well go chasing after moonlight, or try to light a little candle from a star. And if there should be a life beyond this lifetime, somehow I believe there surely may, I would ask my God to let me find my heaven in that dear land across the Irish Sea. Yes, I'd ask my God to let me find my heaven in that dear land across the Irish Sea.